Yay, Luke! Yay, Luke! That's not what you do. You clap them like that. Yay, Luke! This is my new trick that I learned. So we don't call it patty cake. We just say, yay, Luke. So today is my 10-month birthday. So I got to have some eggs for breakfast. But I only ate about half of one egg. But it was pretty good stuff. Lucas. Yay, Luke. You gonna do it? Yay, Luke. Are you gonna clap? Yay, Luke. That's right. Yay, Luke. Yay, Luke. He's proud of himself. Yay, Luke. That's right. Good job. That's right. Yay, Luke.